Welcome to day one of our dart manipulation series. Here I'll be taking you through all that you need to know about dart manipulation. First of all, dart manipulation is the transfer of dart from one point to another within a pattern frame. And all you just have to do is just sit, relax, and by the end of 30 days, you should be very knowledgeable in what dart manipulation is all about. So all you just have to do for this page is to like and follow, and you'll get more of the fashion design secrets. Also, the clip we will be seeing afterwards will show you the various dart positions in your basic body.
So we have our miniature block, and then I'm going to be showing you the different points. If you can see, this has a waist dart. This is the front body, and this is the back bodies. So it has the front, they have the waist dart, and also the bust dart. So I'm going to be showing you about 9 positions where you can transfer your dart to. So first of all, we are starting with the center front. Look at it. You make sure that when you're doing your dart manipulation, note that you don't have to come down by any figure here. The first thing you have to do is make sure your dart gets to the bust point. This is my bust point, and this is the body's block. So I'll make sure I withdraw my dart to get to the bust point. I'll withdraw the dart to get to the bust point. So I've withdrawn the dart, it has gotten to the bust point. So now I want to get, the first position is the center front neck. The center front, that's the CF point, which is this. So this is the CF, call it CF neck point, right? So it's the CF neck point, which is 1. Let's just call it 1. So we have the mid neckline. So this, you just check the middle between this point and this point, and this is another position where your dart can be transferred. So this is the second position. So we have the third position, which is the mid shoulder. Make sure you measure. I'm using the miniature, so I'm not taking any measurements. So you measure. This is the third point. We have another one, which is on the shoulder tip. The shoulder tip. So this is the fourth position where your darts can be placed. We also have the mid armhole. Just always measure from the tip of the shoulder to this point and get the mid armhole. This is it. So this is the mid armhole. 5. We also have the side straight seam, which is this. This is the side straight seam. It's actually on the bust point line, which is this. This is 6. We also have a dart, which is French dart. Your French dart can start anywhere around here. So this is our French dart here. So let's just put it around here. So this is our French dart, which is 7. And then we have the 8th one, which is the center front, which is placing your dart at the center front waistline. You can place it anywhere around here. So this is another point, which is the 8th point. And then we have the center front bust level. This is the 9th point where your darts can be transferred. So with this, you don't necessarily have to do any dart transfer on the back. You can just leave it that way, but these are the points. So we have the first point, we have the center front neck point, we have the mid neck point, we have the shoulder, mid shoulder, we have the shoulder tip, we have the armhole points, and then we have the side straight dart, we have the French dart, and then we have the center front dart. We also have center front waist dart. We also have the center front bust level, which is this. So darts can be transferred to any of these points. So in the next series, I'll be showing you how you can transfer all of these darts to various positions, how you can transfer your waist dart. Remember, we have like 2 darts here already. We have the waist dart, and we also have the bust point. So this is a 2 dart pattern. This is a 2 darts. This is the waist dart. This is the bust dart. Now, even if your pattern does not have the bust dart and it has like a shoulder dart, it's still the same thing that I'll show you as we progress.